Now to George Zimmerman and his plan to sell the gun he used to kill Trayvon Martin. The auction website apparently hacked overnight with bids into the tens of millions of dollars. ABC's Lindsay Janis is here right now with more. Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning, Robin. Zimmerman is unapologetic, saying it's his right to sell the gun and he won't cave to public pressure.
Overnight, the gun auction website selling the firearm used to kill Florida teenager Trayvon Martin disabled. George Zimmerman, who was acquitted in 2013 in the shooting death of the unarmed 17-year-old,
not guilty,
first posted this listing online, trying to sell his 9mm pistol Thursday morning, starting the bid at $5,000. Writing prospective bidders, "I am honored and humbled to announce the sale of an American firearm icon."
I thought it's time to move past the firearm. If I sell it and it sells, I move past it.
The former neighborhood watchman defending the listing to an Orlando TV station.
Do I think it's distasteful to put it on auction because someone died? No, I don't.
But moments before bidding was due to begin, gunbroker.com pulled the ad, telling ABC News, "We want no part in the listing on our website." Zimmerman not giving up, taking the item, which he calls a piece of American history, to another auction site. United Gun Group telling ABC News overnight the auction is still running, but it's debating its next move.
In a statement, Trayvon Martin's father says the Trayvon Martin Foundation has no comment on the actions of that person that murdered Trayvon. George?
Okay, Lindsay, thanks very much.